Amazon Goo.gle Play coming after Audible with own audiobooks offering. Okay Google, tell Audible we're coming after you. It may not be worthy of a page-turner, but Google is indeed launching an audiobooks service on Google Play that is set to challenge the Audible service owned by Amazon. It'll be an uphill battle for sure. Audible is the largest seller of narrated books and spoken content, with more than 400,000 titles overall. While Google starts rolling out audiobooks on Google Play starting today in 9 languages and 45 countries, the company wouldn't tell me how many titles will be made available at launch. It's safe to read into Google's response that the Google Play listening catalog will be much smaller than Audible's. What Google will reveal at this point are the dozens of best-selling audiobooks will be made available at less than $10 each, across mystery and suspense, autobiographies, sci-fi and fantasy, politics, romance, and other genres, though the typical cost for a book, Google says, is more likely in the $15 to $20 range. Google is offering a 50% discount off your first purchase. And as with Audible, you'll be able to listen to a sample before buying. Among the initial Google Play offerings, Fire and Fury, Inside the Trump White House by Michael Wolff, narrated by Halter Graham and Michael Wolff, $8.99, The Princess Diarist by Carrie Fisher, narrated by Carrie Fisher and Billy Lord, $13.95, The Rooster Bar by John Grisham, narrated by R.A. Filikos, $9.99, Astrophysics for People in a Hurry by Neil deGrasse Tyson, narrated by Neil deGrasse Tyson, $7.77, The Subtle Art of Not Giving a FCK by Mark Manson, narrated by Roger Wayne, $5.99, Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone by J.K. Rowling, $25.95 more. Hot read, Audible romance takes you to the steamy parts more. Smart bet? Audible wants Fido to listen to Jane Austen. Google is emphasizing the a la carte nature of its service, that is the ability to listen to audiobooks without a subscription, and Google will let you share purchases with up to 5 family members for no additional fees. Audible lets you purchase spoken content without a subscription too, but pushes its membership plans. The standard Gold Audible monthly plan costs $14.95 and includes 1 free credit towards an audiobook title each month. Audible members also get a 30% discount on audio titles. You'll be able to listen to the Google audiobooks, and pick up where you left off, through Google Home smart speakers, Android and iOS phones, Chromecast, Android Wear devices, Android Auto in your car or on the laptop. You can also summon help through the Google Assistant. If you say, "Okay Google, read my book on a device with the Assistant," it'll start playing the last book you were listening to. At this stage, you cannot ask the Google Assistant to help you find something to read, or rather listen to, before you own it. But at bedtime, you might issue a command along the lines of "Okay Google, stop playing in 20 minutes" to set a timer. That's useful, of course, but it is just following Alexa's lead. On an Amazon Echo, you can have Alexa start playing an Audible book or set a timer. For now, you don't get any kind of discount on a Google Play audiobook if you already own the ebook version. And Google has no immediate answer for the Whisper Sync feature for voice on certain Amazon Kindle titles that lets you switch between reading a book through the Kindle app and listening through Audible. Yet another Audible Kindle connection on certain titles that Google doesn't match lets you simultaneously read and listen while the text is highlighted. You'll have to own both the Kindle and Audible versions of the book to have them speak to one another, resulting in an upgrade fee for the given title. Google's push into audiobooks through Google Play given the void in that type of content. And people do love listening while in their cars or out commuting. According to the Audio Publishers Association, more than 67 million Americans listen to audiobooks annually, with nearly a 34% increase in audiobooks sold in 2016, compared to the year before. Email, ebay@usatoday.com. Follow USA Today personal tech columnist @edbag on Twitter.